Hello, my name is Peter Roto, and today I'm going to give you a demonstration on my eShoppe app. This app utilizes Express, MySQL, and Sequelize. So, without further ado, let's get it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just set up a new database, so it's dropping the existing e-commerce database I had for testing and using it, and recreates a brand new empty one. Then we were nice enough to get seeds, so I'm going to go ahead and hit npm run seed. That's going to throw stuff into our database. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the server. And Sequelize is going to resync stuff, make sure it's in the right spot. And it says we're listening on 3001. So the rest of this presentation is going to be through Insomnia, our API testing thing. So here we go. So this is going to be a simple GET request for all the products. As you can see, all the products come back with the foreign keys and stuff like tags. It's being displayed here, so we just join the tables, and it's displaying appropriate information for each thing. We can get tags as well. That's a very similar thing, only as you can tell, the ID is now the ID that is in the tag table with the accompanying foreign keys coming from different tables. Then same thing with categories. Sorry if this is boring, but we had to show all three apparently. So category ID 1, category name of shirts, blah blah blah. Like that. You can also just pull one of each thing. So that would be, product 1, and if we want to, we can change this to tags and pull one tag and categories. Oh, that's not going to pull one category, is it? And I'm just picking one because it's easiest, but you could put anything you want in there, 3. And if you didn't have one, said that's not a valid ID category. Alright, so quickly moving on. Alright, so we can put a post request. So say we want to post a new category, and we're just going to name this appropriately wrong category. It's going to send it there. It has an ID of 6. So now if we go to get all the categories, you can see there is a category name down here with no products in it, but it's called wrong category. So obviously if we want to delete said category, we just go ahead and delete 6 because that was the idea of we wanted to delete 1. And then if we go back to get categories, we'll see it's no longer there. Same thing with products. If we go to products, say we want to get rid of cargo shorts because, I don't know, because we don't need them. We can go here. Where is it? Cargo shorts are product ID 5. So I can go delete product, change the endpoint to point at products, and then also make it the 5th product. Shoot the J, there it is. And we have to redo this request, and you'll see that it stops at 4. There is no product 5. Alright, so tags, you can do the same thing with tags. I don't know why this is a thing that we have to do, but I have to show you all 3 of them. We send the tags. We want to get rid of the tag pop culture, so ID 8. Send it. Boom. Oh, actually, apparently. Oh, because there's no 8th category. I didn't change the endpoint. But my little fun message here is good news. The category with the ID of 8 is gone. The bad news is you had nothing to do with this. If I switch that to tags appropriately, bam, now it's gone. So we go back to eShoppe get categories, shoot it again, boom. And there is no pop culture category. Or is that even the one we got rid of? I don't remember. Okay, you get it. Put update. Okay, so say we wanted to change category 1, which if we look at the categories we got, it says shirts, right? But we realize there's only t-shirts in there. We want to change it to say t-shirts. So we hit send. It tells us the action is effective when record. Just a little bit of a confirmation there. And then we go to categories, shoot it. Now it says t-shirts. That's pretty cool. And then now be prepared to see that again. So this tag, we're going to change tag 3, which happens to be blue. And say we notice it was more of a teal. We got a bunch of customer complaints. It's not blue, it's teal. Great. All right, so we'll change the tag. So we go to the put tag. We change the tag name to teal, not blue. There it is. Tells us it's changed one record. Go back to tags. And where it currently says blue, it now says teal. So that's just the update method there. Product, that's the fun one. So we're going to go to product 1. So we'll actually just go here. So products 1. Send it. So we got plain t-shirt, category name t-shirts, white, gold. So now if we go to the put, we want to change the price. So look, the price is 15. We have 14 in stock. We're going to change it to heavily wanted thing. So we're going to change the price to 30, and we have 50 of them in stock. And we're also going to get some more different kinds of t-shirts that are going to have different tags on them. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. And it gives us a bad request because I didn't double check before I reran this. Let me go here. I'll fix this real quick. I was running that off of a different example before. So we have tags. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically I tried to get a tag that doesn't exist yet. That's where the error came in because I was doing this in a different order before. Sorry. Should work. There it is. Bam. Okay. So now created the new tags properly. So thought I had this all set up for a nice clean thing, but now if we go ahead and get category 1, t-shirts, categories, all this stuff. So, and we see that the price changed. We got $30. We got 50 of them, and we can see that the tags changed on that product itself. To include teal, red, green, white, and gold. And no pop culture, because get rid of that one. Quickly moving on to post. We want to make a new category called miscellaneous for miscellaneous things. Post it. It says we got an ID of 7. Category name is miscellaneous. We can go to tag. We can make sparkly a tag name. Bam. And that's a wrong route because I didn't put the S. It's amateur hour. Bam, there it is. ID 9 is for sparkly. Then we want to make a new product called phone cases. And we have prices 30, 50. Those don't need to be in quotes. And the category ID, again, also doesn't need to be in quotes. And then we got the tags 3, 8, and 9. If we go back here real quick, you can see 3 is teal. 8 doesn't exist yet. So we're going to go 3, 7, and 9. We're going to have gold. We're going to have 3, because we don't want another error. 7 and 9. All right, so 9 is sparkly. We just made it, blah, blah, blah. There it is. Now we can go run another just generic get all the products so we can see our new product we put up there with the new tag and the new category. We have a new tag named Sparkly. We have a product named Phone Cases, and it's in the category named Miscellaneous along with the other tags we gave it. So there we are. That's done. And then we already saw this once because I was totally ill prepared for this video, but if we go the wrong route, I made this really easy URL that just kind of gives the user the endpoints they should have been using. All right, hope you enjoyed this, but I can totally understand if you did not. Have a good day.